Replacing a hybrid car battery pack can cost $3,000 to $9,000, depending on the vehicle make and model. And a hybrid battery fan that's not operating to spec can cause a hybrid battery pack to wear out prematurely. But before you replace that battery fan, learn these tips to keep you from causing permanent damage to your new fan unit. Before beginning any service procedure, refer to the manufacturer's safety and general information. Failure to follow these instructions may result in serious personal injury or damage to your vehicle. Hybrid battery cooling fans work to keep the battery cells cool. The fan takes cool air from the passenger compartment and circulates it over the battery cells. Our first tip is to check the VIN to confirm the fan is correct for the exact year, make, and model of your vehicle. This is especially important as the model year and build year can be different. Now, here's tip number 2, and it's critical. Do not bench test the new fan. In modern automotive fans, a specific signal and voltage is required. Improper testing can cause permanent damage to the fan. And that brings us to our next tip. Before you begin, check and clear any OBD codes. Failure to clear a code related to the fan could cause damage to the new replacement fan. Codes can vary by manufacturer, but battery pack deterioration and a stored code such as a POA84 require urgent attention. They could lead to reduced power or complete deactivation of the electric propulsion system. Follow your manufacturer's recommendations for codes specific to your vehicle's year, make, and model. Hybrid battery warranties typically run 8 years, although some manufacturers go longer. However, hybrid car batteries that have been well taken care of can sometimes outlast many of the car's mechanical systems. As with any battery, how much it's used and how the battery is charged are key factors in hybrid battery life expectancy. Irregular charging, long periods of exposure to extreme temperatures, and preventing the battery from becoming completely discharged can reduce battery service life. And that brings us to our final tip. A basic maintenance schedule for items affected by climate change are a best practice for hybrid vehicle battery longevity. Perform the proper maintenance, keep the battery regularly charged, and avoid extreme temperatures when possible, and you should see years of reliable hybrid vehicle travel. For more service tips from Continental, subscribe to our YouTube channel.